This video is all about how to make your custom thumbnail without knowing the fancy futuristic tools, which are available in the market and take a lot of time to learn. I'm going to show you how you can easily create your thumbnail and few very important tips which you should remember always while designing your thumbnail. So do watch this video in full. Hi, welcome back to my channel Sihara Tech. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit the like button at the end. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. As I mentioned before, that if you are comfortable using all the futuristic tools like Photoshop or any other tool, then you can keep using those. But if you are not familiar with them, then you can use Canva as well, which is an online platform for creating a thumbnail. And it's really popular and easy to use. And I'm going to walk you through with the process. But before that, a little disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by Canva at all. You can use it free as well, along with other pricing models if you want to use it as the paid member. But mostly you can do almost everything without any subscription charges. Go to www.canva.com. You have to sign up with Canva first, which is really simple. And once you are signed up, this is the homepage from where you can see all the designs you prepared earlier. You can also check the designs which are shared with you, or you can create the new designs as well. Simple way is to click on Create Design from the top right corner. From this menu, search for YouTube thumbnail. If you hover the cursor on the first option, then you'll see the dimensions 1280 by 720 pixel, which is the standard size required by YouTube for every thumbnail. Click on YouTube thumbnail and canvas with the recommended size will open in a new browser window. Here you will have few options. From templates, you can use free templates already created by Canva. You can upload your assets as well from the upload section. You can use the Canva photo gallery as well, which is really handy. You can also add various elements in your thumbnail from the element section. You can choose different text style from the text section. And also you can add various background images as well. As you can see, we are fully equipped with everything we need. Now let's create a thumbnail. Let me select a template from the template section and we'll change it afterwards. Okay, let me select this one. Once you click on any template, it will appear on the canvas on the right hand side. Let me remove the picture as I don't need it. Also, I don't need this shape and some extra text as I'm planning to make it a simple one. Let me move this text in the middle. I really like this shape. Let's use it in two corners. First, select the shape and let me rotate it. And I'll use this one on the top left corner. Let me copy and paste this shape again so I can use it on the bottom right corner as well. Also, I want these two shapes in two different colors. Let me change the color by selecting each shape and from the top select the color icon. I'm going to select just some random colors for now. For this thumbnail, I'm planning to use the blue color as background. Let me set it first. Select the background and click on color icon from the top. Let me define my own blue color by clicking on new color icon. I always like this hex value for the blue shade. Okay, for corner shapes, I'll use yellow and orange shade. As I have set the background, now it's time to write some text. Let me change the text and increase the width so it can appear in a single line. Also, let me change the font style as well. I really like this font which makes my text more prominent. Let me increase the size from the top. Also, let me reposition it as well. For the text background, let me add a square shape so it is more prominent. Go to Elements and click on Square Shape. Let me resize it and change the color to black. Place it on the top of the text and we'll send it backward so the text is on the top. Select the position link from the top and click on backwards. As you can see, the text is on the top now and it is more prominent. Let me select both and make a copy so I can add more text. I'm gonna write YouTube, increase the font size and change the background color to red. Let me repeat the same process for my remaining text as well. I'm going to use dark blue color for channel background. Now let's reposition everything. I think we should add line element as well. Let me find it in the element section. This one seems good. Let me adjust the size and color. Much better now. Let me zoom out to 25% so I can see how it looks in a smaller dimension. As you can see, the text is still more prominent and will be readable by user for sure. This is just an example, so you guys can be familiar with this awesome online platform. Now it's time for some useful tips, which you should keep in mind before you create a thumbnail for your video. Tip number 1. Never ever use the fancy fonts, as those might look good on a bigger screen, but you have to keep in mind the mobile dimension as well, where the view for the thumbnail is very small, and your text on your thumbnail should be more prominent and readable by everyone. So make your thumbnail elements bigger in size. Tip number 2. Do not use more words on your thumbnail, but on the other hand, don't lose the objective of giving an idea about your video to user. So use less words and make them catchy as well. Tip number 3. Use your picture in your custom thumbnail if you are showing yourself while presenting your content in the video. And also use the relevant facial expression to make it more excited for your user. But if you have a channel like mine, where I'm more focused about the infographics and sketches rather than myself, then you can design your thumbnail with some text and icons related to your content with a standard background design as well. Again, the idea is to attract and guide the user about the content before they click and watch it. Tip number 4. Always increase the contrast and saturation of your picture so it is more prominent in the search results. Again, you have to consider the mobile dimension, as most of the viewers watch the video from the mobile devices rather than from the computer. Tip number 5. Do not use the top right and bottom corner to show something you are focusing on, as at the bottom right, video duration is shown, and on the top right corner, there are a few icons which YouTube shows when you move your cursor over a particular video. That's it, guys. Now you know how you can use Canva and what are the things you should consider while creating your thumbnail. So, best of luck. I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.